Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to create eye-catching mass text in Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels and confirm. Next, add a text element to your design. Click to type any text you like. For this example, enter the number 8. Adjust the placement as needed, then continue editing as desired. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate this item. Use this shortcut whenever you need another copy. Click the item to select it. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Now you have 3 separate tags. Hold Shift and select all 3 tags. With them all selected, press Ctrl+G to group them. This groups your tags together, making it easier to move and organize them. After completing the previous step, click the Apply button to confirm your changes. This will save your adjustments and update your settings accordingly. Ensure all preferences are correct before applying to avoid any unnecessary modifications. Place the headspace by positioning it here. Select the headspace element from your toolbar, then drag it onto your workspace. Make sure to align it with any existing guides or objects in your project. If you need to adjust its placement, click and hold, then move it to your desired location. Use the alignment tools for precise positioning. Double check that it fits with your overall layout and doesn't overlap other elements. Once you're satisfied with the placement, release the mouse button to set the headspace. If further adjustments are needed, repeat these steps. To download your work as a .ng file, first go to the File menu at the top of the screen. Select the option labeled Save As. In the dialog box that appears, choose the .ng file format from the drop-down menu. Enter a file name, then click Save. After the file is saved, find the Download button and click it to download the .ng file to your computer. After downloading, the file will be saved in your designated folder. Next, navigate to the Elements tab in your software interface. Click on the Elements tab to open the menu. In the search bar, type in the name of the image you want to use. Press Enter or click the search icon to display relevant image results. Browse through the available images, then select the one that best fits your project. Click on the image to add it to your workspace for further editing. Next, merge your texture into the project. Navigate to the Apps section and look for the Blend Image tool. Once you locate it, click on Blend Image to open the feature. In the Blend Image interface, you'll see different tabs for images you can combine. Select your newly merged texture as the first tab. Then, for the background, choose the desired image as the second tab. With both the texture and the background selected in their respective tabs, you are now set up to proceed with blending the images together using the available controls in the Blend tool. Next, set this layer to the bottom blend mode. After applying the bottom blend, locate and select the screen blend mode from the same drop-down menu. This will allow you to see the results of both bottom and screen blending styles. Click the Add to Design button to include the element, then review your updated design to confirm changes. Insert the tip carefully into the designated slot as shown. Ensure it fits securely and aligns properly. Once the tip is in place, check the end to confirm it sits flush. This completes the attachment process successfully. Click the button, and your changes will automatically save and update in real time here. Click the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select the Download option. A panel will appear with different file type choices. Choose PNG from the available options to ensure high image quality. Once you've selected PNG, click the Download button to save the design to your computer. The download will start automatically, and you'll find your PNG file in your device's Downloads folder when it's ready. Now you know how to mask text in Canva. Give it a try! If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.